Did you know that photography cannot exist without light? It's like, in the beginning, there was darkness, and God said, "Let there be light." And there was light.
And then, photography was invented. Well, that was a very rough chronological order. But did you know what comes after light? It's color. Let's talk about color temperature. Let's talk about white balance. What is up guys? My name is Hate and you are watching Hate Photography TV. At ngayon ang pag-uusapan naman natin ay about white balance at color temperature.
White balance is the in-camera process or photo processing software adjustment of removing the color cast that comes from the light color temperature.
Nasubukan mo na bang mag-picture or mag-selfie sa CR or comfort room? 'Di ba kung minsan madilaw yung kulay ng balat mo kasi yung ilaw medyo madilaw. O nasubukan mo na bang mag-selfie kapag maulan yung panahon? O kumuha ng litrato kapag maulap yung panahon at malamig? Somewhere na malamig na lugar o yung gloomy yung panahon. 'Di ba medyo parang kulay blue yung picture? Normal na appearance ng liwanag yan. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na color temperature.
Color temperature is the term used to describe the color appearance of light. It is measured in degrees of Kelvin or K on a scale of 1000 to 10,000 Kelvin. 1000 Kelvin is considered to be the coldest and appears to have the bluest color tone. The 10,000 Kelvin is the warmest. The color tone appears to be orange or reddish.
Color temperature is based on the nature's color of light. Pag malamig, medyo bluish yung liwanag. Kapag naman mainit, medyo madilaw. O kung minsan, malapit na sa orange or red. Ang best example natin dito ay kapag sunrise or sunset. Example natin pag sunset. 'Di ba habang lumulubog yung araw, kung mapapansin ninyo na padilaw ng padilaw yung liwanag nito. Tapos magiging orange kung minsan pa nga magpupula pa yung langit. Parang crimson sky. Parang ganito. Tapos paglubog ng araw, unti-unti naman magiging blue o asul yung langit habang padilim ng padilim. Yan yung color temperature. By the way, golden hour pala ang tawag dyan sa oras na yellowish to orange to reddish na kulay ng langit. And after nyan, yung bluish sky naman. Pagkatapos ng golden hour, ang tawag naman doon ay magic hour. Yan na yung asul, yung langit o yung sky. Ang ginagawa ng white balance ay kinokorek niya yung mga unwanted, unrealistic na kulay. Merong white balance ang camera. Maging yung mga cellphone natin, meron din. Automatic niya kinokontrol yung tamang kulay ng liwanag. Ang purpose ng white balance ay tinatanggal niya yung color cast ng ilaw. Yung white ay dapat kulay white. Kung paano nakikita ng mga mata natin. Siyempre kapag sunset at sunrise, maganda yung madilaw o ma-orange na kulay. Pero hindi yan maganda lalo na sa balat ng tao o yung skin tone. Lalo na sa indoors or closed environment. Imagine, kulay orange o dilaw na tao, di ba? Unless creative shot talaga yung ginagawa mo at sinadya mo yung ma-orange o ma-bluish na kulay sa composition mo, di ba? Ang rule of thumb o ang dapat na kulay ay balance lang, kagaya ng nakikita ng mga mata natin. Nasa gitna lang siya dapat, around 5,200 to 5,600 degrees Kelvin yung color temperature. Yung auto-white balance ng camera o ng cellphone natin ay dyan lang din yun naglalaro sa values na yan. Pwede nyo pa yan baguhin manually. Kung sa camera, meron yang nakalagay na option. Kung gusto mo ng auto, daylight, cloudy, tungsten, at Kelvin. Sa Kelvin, dyan mo ma-adjust kung anong gusto mo. Sa white balance naman ng cellphone ay ganun din yan. Lalo na sa mga bagong labas na cellphone ngayon. Meron na ding Kelvin scale. Pero dun sa mga medyo matagal nang nailabas, wala pang manual Kelvin scale. Pero meron na yang auto white balance, cloudy, daylight, at tungsten. Usually, huwag nyo nang babaguhin sa auto yan. Okay na yan. Pero kung halimbawa mapunta kayo sa magandang scenery, sa taas ng bundok, beach, sunset, or sunrise, subukan nyo yung paglaruan yung white balance. Makikita nyo yung impact nun sa photo. Pwede mo siyang mabago kung ano talaga yung nakikita ng mata natin, o pwede mo ding gawing mas creative or artistic depende sa preferred mong kulay. Ang pinaka dapat mo lang tandaan pagdating sa tamang white balance ay yung color white sa picture. Ay dapat kulay white talaga. Medyo subjective to at depende sa mata nung tumitingin. Isa pa na pwedeng makaapekto sa white balance ay yung screen o display natin. Pwede yung cellphone screen o monitor screen. Mas pag-uusapan natin to ng mas detalyado pag nasa mismong mga photoshoot na tayo. At doon din ako mag-share sa inyo ng mga tips and tricks. Ngayon kasi ang pinaka-purpose lang natin ay maging aware muna kayo sa mga basic knowledge. Humihingi ako ng sorry sa lahat na medyo advanced na sa photography na nakakapanood nito. Ito kasing first photography series natin ay ginawa ko talaga to target people that has little to zero knowledge about photography na gustong matuto pero walang time o walang budget para matuto. Naway lahat ng lesson episode natin ay nagiging foundational information para sa inyo. Para sa mga susunod pa nating mga topic about sa photography at para sa mga vlogs pa natin. I'm trying my best to make this as simple and practical as it can get. Let us grow together, learning how to take good photos with any device we have, either using a camera or a cell phone. It doesn't matter. Let's grow together as this channel grows. And for all the techie and advanced awesome people who are watching this series might be just a refresher and not really exciting to you. But as we progress, I am committed to give you an entertaining series. We will get to complex things soon. Complicated series. Something like, hey, what is up guys? Welcome to our complicated series. Today we are going to try to connect this microscope to this telescope and we are going to photograph the soul of the nuclei of a 4.5 billion years old rock.
Whoa, nakikita talaga.
Something like that. No, not like that. But who knows? So that's it guys. I hope you learned something from this video or at least I got you entertained. Thank you for watching Hate Photography TV. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe button to see more of my videos. Also, if you have questions, suggestions, or anything in mind, let us know in the comment. Once again, my name is Hate, and I will see you in the next video. Mabuhay! Alam ko madami na kayong alam sa photography at handang-handa na kayo para sa isang photoshoot. Pero bago kayo mag-shoot, pag-usapan muna natin yung proper camera care. Let's talk about proper camera handling in the next video.
Wow, nakikita talaga.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe button to see more of my videos about anything. And if you have questions, suggestions, or you have anything in mind, please let me know in the comment. Once again, my name is Hate, and I will see you in the next video. Mabuhay!